All right, guys, check this out here. We got a buggy in the garage today. It's kind of ugly. We're going to build this thing on a budget. K-swap it. Put a K20 A3 in this thing. We're going to yank this old carbureted frickin' Suzuki out. This thing's probably sat in the back shed for a couple years. Kind of give you an idea what we want to do here is we're going to yank the rear swing arm off the engine out. We're going to mount some EF chassis, radius arm and cross member here, and the whole kind of steering setup. We might end up making our own mounts, and yeah, we're gonna like try and build this really budget. Like we're gonna even reuse some antifreeze maybe. So all right, check this out, guys. Trying to pull the swing arm off first, but there's a major design flaw. Whoever built this obviously built the swing arm and had the swing arm on well before they put the engine in, because you got to take the whole engine out before you can get the swing arm off. Alright, check that, guys, out. Video's only been going for 19 minutes. 19 minutes it took us to get the engine out. Another 10 we'll have the swing arm off. We'll be mocking up the Honda steering and suspension and all that for the rear. And keep tuning in. Alright, 32 minutes in, guys. Take a look at that. That's kind of what we're going to look at here for a rear engine, rear drive, K-powered, Sandrail, Dune Buggy nonsense. Alright, guys, so check it out. We got some thinking to do. We basically need to figure out how forward or rear we need to kind of mount this set up here. Unfortunately, it's been raining pretty good out today, and we're kind of waiting on it to slow up so we can get the K-Series in here, get it into the garage from the shed in the back. We might have to cut that the center radial arm there. I'm going to cut that out for the oil pan, as that's right where we kind of want the engine to sit in. We might end up cutting out these channels here. Yeah, other than that, there's some thinking to do. We need some wheel bearings and some hubs, so we need to kind of figure that out a bit. Alright guys, that's going to be it for the night. As you can see, pretty much got the suspension mock-up kind of going. I'm not sure on the exact height yet. I'm thinking the chassis is going to need to be a little bit higher here to line this up nicely. Probably going to have to put a bend in these rods here to get the front cross member to come tuck up a little closer to the chassis. We got to cut all this out, get ready for an engine to go in its place there. A few other things that just need fixing for your information. Steering wheel, terrible location. Gonna widen it up, probably make it more acceptable for a two-seater. That includes like cutting the bars somewhere around here and extending them further out and going down and then back in. We've got a little bit of an issue with the steering, the rack here. Just got to find some tie rods. Other than that, everything else is looking pretty good. It's just going to be, like I said, budget build. Alright, stay tuned guys.